Hi, welcome to Plumable. It's great to have you here. Let's fix your plumbing or electrical issue quickly and safely. So go to the Fix My Issue button and click it. Here, I have the option of choosing between a plumber or an electrician. I'm going to request a plumber. Then, I'm going to describe my issue. So there is dog hair in the bathtub and the drain is clogged. Alright, then click continue. Here, we'll just input our information so we can get service. So Mike Theodore is my name, my address in Southwest. And if you have an apartment or a buzzer, you can enter them here. They are optional. And then we'll import our phone number. All right, and then we click continue. And if everything is okay, we click confirm. And there you go. This is your dashboard where you can see your information that you have entered, and you can confirm your request by clicking the Get Help button. Thank you so much.